Hello, Sahabat English, welcome back. What's up? It's me Arling, and first of all, I'm so grateful to you for being here and watching this video. And I need your support for the channel because I'm going to help, support, and provide the tips how we can learn English from the beginning. And today we're gonna talk about something, and I think this is the huge problem that we should avoid and solve in our English progress. That is why you cannot speak English. It's probably you had learned theory too much, memorize vocabulary, read a lot of books in English, and watch your TV show in English. But why I cannot speak English? Why I cannot convey my idea in English? It's the huge question that you have to question yourself right now if you are learning English. Maybe you're studying English in university, high school, junior high school, elementary school, in your course, or maybe you're studying alone at your home. And this lesson today is really important to you for increase your English speaking. And here I have a couple of reasons, and I would explain to you about this. So stay tuned for my video, and please support the channel by click subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with your friends. And I guess you are interested in this video, and I hope you like this video because it's really important for you. Okay, please listen to me. Okay, let's jump in. The reason number one is you don't have a partner. Even though your score in grammar, maybe you got 90 or more, that's wrong if you cannot convey your idea in English. So if you are smart in theory, maybe you are smart in grammar, please find your friends who have ability in English. And many of my friends do something like that because and they are complain about it because that they don't have a partner for practicing their English speaking. Even though you are smart English, but if you don't have a partner, you will not speak anything. So find your partner or your friends around you. If you don't have a partner around you, so you can find your friends through online, maybe in your Instagram, Facebook, and another ways you could find them. And after you find them, practice with them, and don't worry, don't be scared, and don't be shy. Practice with them even though they are smart in English. Don't be scared, and practice and enjoy that time for increase your English speaking. Okay, the reason number two is you are scared making a mistakes. Okay, this is a huge problem that we should avoid. Even though we are smart in theory, but if we are scared to practice our speaking, so you can say anything in English. So don't be afraid. Don't be scared making mistakes. So we can learn from the mistakes, guys. If we, I know because you are focused on grammar, and I always say, don't focus on grammar, but focus on speaking. It's enough. 30% you learn theory, grammar, and more than you learn speaking. Practice. Keep practicing your English speaking without hesitation, without fear, okay? So there are two reasons that you have to avoid when you want to speak English, and at least you can respond when the friends who have ability in English, you can respond in that time. So practice your English speaking right now, and guys, next time I'll make the best video how we can learn English, and hopefully you always support this channel, because this channel is really important to you for increase your English speaking. And please back me by your subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with your friends. Okay, we'll see you next time.